Hello, William Drummond here. So you're watching a series video of semi-tutorial, semi-devlog of how I use Unity to develop a indie RPG 2D platformer game. Okay, so I already test the Sprite, which is software like newly learned. Okay, and it's just the test is the first drawing a test, and also I test the tilemap. It's brilliant. It's great software. And by the way, if you want to watch the process of how I did all these assets, I got another channel called Learn Digital Arts. You can check it out. Okay, so basically, I got a really simple crude time map. Is rubbish right now, but I just want to quickly push forward the project and use the asset 100% that I create, and make our game look a little bit more decent. Right now, if you just stumble upon my channel, here is the progress of this game. So basically, we got the running animation. Let me just zoom in a little bit. Basically, we got all this idle state, running animation, dash, jump, and we can stick to the wall. Okay, and we'll gradually slide down, quickly slide down. We can doing the wall jump, okay, wall jump and then dash. So it's a pretty RPG packed game. Okay, then we got the attack, we got combo, we got this finisher. Now I draw, and yeah, pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is to actually add the different ground rather than this ground placeholder. Okay, it's pretty crude. So what I'm gonna do is to introduce you guys the amazing tile system in Unity, and yeah, let's get to it. So I'm already export this, I believe. So I'm going to import it in my my drawing, main drawing. So I'm going to change the main character, main player. Okay, and I'm going to create another folder for just make things a little bit organized. So I don't know, environment. I just use the voice command. Environment. No, I can't do that. Sorry. So okay, so environments. I believe I export everything in the document. So we got background. So it's the thing that I draw in the Sprite. So we have like a main background, and I also export a quick rubbish time map shit, and that's the thing I'm going to quickly test it. So right now it's like a really big thing, so I have to manually doing all this preparation in the Unity engine. So let's do that. And the in-game modification of tile palettes is in the tile palette. Yeah, 2D tile palette. Asset create 2D tile palette. But I recommend that you do not need to memorize everything here, because it's useless to memorize things, because you can always use the help to do that. So tile map, tile palette. Okay. Can I just open this tile palette? Come on. Create 2D palette, flat top. Okay, can I just open the window tile palettes? Layouts. Okay, so 2D tile palette. Yeah, that's a thing. Okay, and yeah, why this thing here? Okay, I believe there's some bug in Unity. Doesn't really matter. I can just place it nice and simple here, and I do not know what's going on in here because I just can't get it away. Definitely some bug. Okay, I'm going to restart this Unity engine because this is seriously obstructing the process of my developing. Okay, so the game. Okay, obviously, still did not solve the problem. And okay, let's create this. No valid palettes. Let's create a new color palette. Okay, Create new color palettes. New palette? Rectangular. Yeah, that's good, really good. Automatic. Manual. Let's make it automatic. Sort mode. Default. Okay, let's just first create this and see how it goes. My drawing environment. Yeah, let's just make it here. Okay, color palettes. And okay, so no valid target. So let's drag here. Okay, so actually that's it. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, so yeah, the size definitely not good enough. So let's just selection with active brush. So the area of the grid. Okay, this is definitely too small. So let's think about this. Okay, maybe I did not select the correct way of doing things. Tile asset, type error. Cell map, sheet, asset. So let's think about pixel per unit, max size. Okay, 64. Oh yeah, I found it. It's pixel per unit is 100. Let's make that 64. Kind of could make it 100 pixel per person. Okay, can I just make it 64 and re-import this? Okay, can I just delete all this? Okay, delete this. And let me change that to 64. I'll import that again. Replace. Yeah, strangely, I think I need to add it. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. Okay, yeah, smaller. Oh, it's 16. So apply. Sorry, apply this. And I need to actually save it. Border. Custom skinny sector editor. Okay, I need to like actually cut it. Border. Okay, let's think about this. Yeah, I thought I can like get away with just change the sizes, but in fact, I think I might as well just actually change it in Sprite editor. So kind of just actually slice it. So okay, I'm going to re-import everything. Right now it's really messed up right now. So just to delete everything. Okay. Okay, I'm pretty new to this, so no valid palette. Let's create a new, like tile test. So rectangle, yes. Let's create it. So, yeah, we can choose it. This we can delete it because it's like a non-existent. Where's my created file here? Tilemap ship PNG, yeah, that's good. So this is the PNG file, and I'm going to actually edit this by. Okay, why I can't like slice this? Think about this. Oh, I think I forgot to like set the mode here. So sprite mode right now is single. That's the reason why I can't slide. So we can go to the editor. Yeah, and of course make it point. So like pretty sharp. And then I can slice. Okay, automatic texture platform have better result using manual slicing. Let's quickly get the automatic. It's not doing good. So about cell size, can I do that? Cell counts. about, ooh, there's 64. So what about this? Yeah, we can get away with just using these cell size sliding. Pivots, let's not make a center. Can I make it like a custom? Ooh, pivot, delete existing method. Yeah, let's just first slice this, and I believe I can get like okay, can I just apply this, trim this. Okay, can I like trim it down? Okay, let's just yeah, I already slice this, I think, so we can actually use this right now. Yeah, we can just use this. So all this, I just need to like select all this functional thing to the tilemap. That would do. Yeah, I will save you guys a little bit of time just to do this quickly. Import that to tilemap. Yeah, that's pretty good. And I'm going to okay. Oh, it's not like actually sliced. So why is it like extruded? So for example, can I like select this and paint with this brush? I can't do that. And it's already pretty small. So yeah, definitely something wrong here. Let's go back. Multiple 100. So okay, I changed my mind. I used Photoshop to just redraw this. It's not redraw, it's like crop this to make it absolutely suit for the game. So I sort of shrink it to 443 bytes. It's absolutely pretty small. I'm going to do that multiple again. Okay, I do not know why, but I can do sprite editor. It's doing this way. Oh, I should make it no filter. I'm going to crop this again. Definitely, maybe something wrong. I'm not sure. 16 by 16. Why it's not? So by size. Okay, it was 16 by 16. Why? Pixel size, offset, delete existing, custom pivot. Okay, that's pretty weird. Why is she automatic? Can I do this? By cell size, cell count maybe. I'm going to name it 3. Name it 3. Okay, maybe this will work. Padding. Okay, so custom pivots do have some sort of padding, but kind of like move the whole thing to a little bit, right? So if I do that, it will just pivots custom. Okay, let's make a center. Preferably, I think it should like move to a little bit to the right. So it should like doing an offset. I do not know why there's no. Oh, there's offset here. Okay. 1 should do. Okay, 1 should do. Okay, let's slice this thing. Okay, slice and apply. Okay, that should do. That should do. So I got all this tile, and we can add a palette. Okay, I'm going to just name it palette test. Okay, so yeah, I'm not too familiar with this because I'm using a lot of software. I sort of forgot about it. I did this like many, like many months ago, and I totally forgot about these steps. Sorry about that. Let's look at here. Choose. Well, that's much better. That's much better. So I can actually select this and paint. Painting here. And definitely too small. So go back here, make it, I don't know, maybe a little bit smaller, like this. What about this? Bigger? Bigger? Maybe this. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, that's sorry about all this, because I'm like really not familiar with this, so sorry about that. So yeah, I got this tile map working. Okay, this got the palettes actually working. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, this is seeing a new palette. Let's go back. Okay, so let's save this, and we actually need to replace the ground. And let's quickly test this by just get rid of this. Okay, we got. Oh, okay, this is selected. We do not need to select this. I'm going to go back to here, select the ground. We do not need this. We just need a tile map with collider to it. For example, these two, we no longer need this. Okay, finally, we just got a play here. And let's actually paint something, alright? So yeah, finally I remember that. So if you double click this tile map palette test, you got this sort of inside the tile map, okay? And you don't want that, but you want to go back. Right now it's like inside the game object palette test. You want to go back. You want to actually create a tile map, okay? So what I'm going to do is to create a 2D tile map, okay? And it's a rectangular, okay? So we got a tile map, and I'm going to use this tile map as a ground. So yeah, you got an idea. You got this like tile system ready, and we can paint it. Okay, so let's get the setting ready. I think, relatively speaking, if I like draw this here, this would be like would be like too big. Okay, so if I draw here, it would be too big. Let's can I just get away with just scale this up? Scale this to like a 2x2 maybe. Okay, that's maybe the case. We can okay, still can yeah, that's good. The ground, yeah, by the way, we set this identification system using layer, so you have to specify its ground so you can actually, you know, interact. And the ground, we got the tile map render and tile map, yeah. And let's add some components. So first, I'm going to add a tile map collider. So tile map collider, 2D game, and material trigger, layer override, offset. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, used by the composite, and we did not create composite, so let's create a composite. So composite collider 2D, and of course we also need a rigid body. So rigid body or rigid body 2D? Yeah, rigid body 2D maybe. Can't have same component multiple times. Already added. Rigid body can't be added because ground already contained the same component. Oh, I already got this rigid body 2D. So make it static, won't affect it by other physics. Yeah. Okay, so let's quickly get the okay, color palette. We already can select ground. Yeah, by the way, if you want to add more, you can just add continue to add it. Right now we can already select this brush here. We can select the brush, select this one, and we can interact. So that's good. That's good. I think I might as well just increase the size of the player as well. So let's make this a little bit, like zoom it out a little bit. I want to create the ground. The first to show it will work. And of course, this is like a break. We can get a playground working. Okay. By the way, you can select multiple things at the same time. You can like add things. So, for example, you want to add ground like this. You can also use this as a brush. Let's do this. Get a stair or something. And I think players are a little bit too small because the break is pretty big. So I want the player to get pretty big as well. So I might get a 5. Okay. And just use W to just lift it up a little bit. And let's quickly test this because I want the player actually stand on this. So I want to do not break what we already done. Okay, seems a little bit weird. Okay, I do not know why. Let's see. Let's move a little bit. Okay, so I can dash, but it seems like it's falling. Okay, let's quickly test what's wrong here. So already choose this as a ground. We got rigid body, static, composite collider is triggered by that. Oh, I think I forgot to add the composite. So the composite is here. Material trigger geometry outline. Let me make a polygon so it will actually be the ground rather than be system judged it's in the air. Let's think about this. Oh, maybe I need to make it like a little bit bigger. Okay, so the collider is not working. Yeah, I know the reason. Sorry about that. I scale this character down, and when I like shrink it, it's working. And I think that's because did not detect. Okay, the ground check did not increase when I just scale this person. So for example, if I change that to 5, okay, it's do not detect the ground. So to solve this, really simple. Okay, let me just go back, okay, and make this bigger, like a 5 and 5, and the ground check, let me just increase the distance, so it will automatically check the ground as well as automatically check the wall. Okay, so let's do that again. Hopefully this will solve the problem. Okay, so yeah, sometimes you check, this is like a typical coupling problem. While you are doing projects, you will involve with a lot of coupling, right? And sometimes you change something and other things you do not change, and it will like result in some problem. Okay, okay, let's click here. So in order to, okay, so the speed is slower. I have to like, yeah, the whole speed is slower, so I have to change the speed as well. So in order to save you guys a little bit of time, I'm not going to change the speed. I just need to shrink this player, so everything will be exactly the same. So like a really small player inside of the game. Okay, so let's zoom in. Okay, still working. Just the size is a little bit different. It doesn't really matter at this point. And yeah, as you guys already can see, yeah, we did not solve this like sliding problem. I will do that later. And also, there are also another obvious problem because as you can see, the whole game is a little bit big, and the camera do not move as my player is moving. So we are going to make maybe a silly machine to actually solve that problem. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so yeah, so I'm going to pause it here because it's already pretty long, and see you next video.